So it's pretty much been raining all day. Oh, thought I was about to sneeze. But yeah, it's been raining all day. It's actually not raining right now. It's just really wet out. I'm looking at the puddles. It doesn't appear to be raining. No, I guess it is a little bit. Oh, look at that bitch. It's like 4 something in the afternoon right now. Oh, I have to turn that off. It's like 4 something in the afternoon right now. Gotta lock up the door. Um, Basically, I've just been putting shit away all day. That's it. It doesn't really look like I did much, really. Yeah, still got all this shit powered up in the dining room. Gotta go through it. Still got other shit to come. Hopefully tomorrow I get the trailer and get the rest of the shit here. I went ahead and set that cabinet up. Oh shit, I'm tripping. Set that cabinet up. Got the lights on in it and shit. You can't really see it that good, but there's a little angel up in there. Yeah, there you see it. The light kind of blurs it a little bit. But, this is all garbage. I gotta find out when garbage day is. Get all this fucking garbage out of here. That's the landlord's shit. He's supposed to be picking that up. Boo. Yeah. Oh, got some more food in here. You guys didn't see that last time. We ain't got shit in the fridge still yet. So just got some water. Yeah, what the fuck is going on with this shelf? This one too. There it goes. The other one like that. Nope. Read that. Hold on, let me get it focused. Alright. Freeze frame and read that real quick. So I've already got the gas and electric placed into my name. It got dark. Hold on a second. I already got the gas and electric placed into my name. So I'll even have the cable company come out probably tomorrow or sometime this week. Get some cable out in here. So hopefully that goes through. It's about 6 o'clock now. I was doing some shit. I had to take a break. I made a dent in this room though. Got most of that shit out the way. Get the light on. Yeah, I got most of the shit out the way. Most of it belongs to my mom anyways and shit. She gotta go through most of it. But still got some dishes to fucking put away. There's an awful lot of fucking dishes. I didn't even know we had that many dishes. Still got that thing right there full of dishes. found this little glass semi truck. I wonder I had stuck that up in there. I don't think it's raining no more. It quit a while ago. But I don't know what the fuck's going on over there. They got 2 cars backed up. Fucking back door to the Family Dollar's wide open. Family Dollar's open right now, but I don't know what the fuck's going on. Why they got 2 cars backed up to the fucking door and shit. Strange. I already turned the gas off on my mom over there, so hopefully I can get her out of there, get the rest of her shit over here by tomorrow. I got work tomorrow, so after work, I'm gonna see my boss let me use the trailer, go get the rest of the shit out of my mom's house, get her over here. That way she can fucking help me put some of this shit away. Put up my TV and PlayStation over there. That's I ain't got an entertainment center right now, but I'm gonna put an entertainment center right there. Get a flat screen put in there. I don't know what I'm gonna put over there yet. Those right there are all shelving units. You know, my mom wants to build a shelf somewhere. I don't know where yet. But right here where I'm sitting, it's gonna put the couch. There's an end table right there. That's my mom's room. I was about to roll a blunt, but I forgot I ain't got no shells left, so I gotta run up to the store real quick. Get my lighter. I gotta put my shoes on. Get my headphones. I'm not even sure where the fuck my other are. I was gonna say I'm not even sure where my shoes are, but I found them. That was fucking Eddie calling me. Gotta go to work tomorrow, 8 o'clock. I'm trying to get my shoes on here. Just got back. It's cold as hell outside. About to go ahead and roll me up a blunt, drink some tea. Definitely need a haircut. I wasn't gonna cut it today, but I don't know if I am. I might just wait till tomorrow. I don't know. Got the ghost in the background. Nice, so I think that's gonna be it for today. Go ahead and upload this video. I still gotta upload the wake and bake video I did from this morning, so that'll probably be uploaded first. And then I'll upload this one. But that's pretty much it for today. Tomorrow, I'm not sure if I'm going to be recording much, because tomorrow I gotta go to work in the morning, and then after work I gotta help with my mom, the rest of my mom's stuff over here. So I don't know if I'm recording anything tomorrow, but I guess we'll find out.